Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook kimchi stew. To begin, gather your key ingredients. You will need about 1 pound of well-fermented kimchi, 4 ounces of pork belly or firm tofu, and 1 medium onion. For the broth, prepare 4 cups of anchovy or vegetable stock. Also, have 2 tablespoons of gochugaru, 1 tablespoon of gochujang, and a splash of soy sauce on hand for seasoning. Now, let's build the foundational flavors. First, slice your 4 ounces of pork belly into half-inch pieces and sauté them in a pot over medium heat until they are lightly browned and rendered. Next, add the 1 pound of kimchi and 1 sliced onion to the pot. Cook this mixture for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally until the kimchi softens and becomes fragrant. Once the kimchi and pork are fragrant, pour in your 4 cups of prepared stock. Bring the stew to a rolling boil, then reduce the heat to low. Allow it to simmer gently for at least 20 minutes, letting the flavors meld beautifully. Now, stir in 2 tablespoons of gochugaru, 1 tablespoon of gochujang, and a dash of soy sauce to achieve your desired level of spice and umami. Finally, give your kimchi stew a taste and adjust any seasonings if necessary. You might want a little more spice or a touch more salt. Ladle the hot, bubbling stew into bowls. Garnish generously with freshly chopped green onions and a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds for extra flavor and visual appeal. Serve immediately with a warm bowl of fluffy steamed white rice and enjoy your delicious homemade meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.